Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Greg, and I'm a training support specialist at the Region 5 Hollywood Loan Library Distribution Center. My contact information is posted below, so please feel free to contact me if you have any questions about this or any other product available in the AT UDL Loan Library.
In this video, I will be highlighting the Microsoft Adaptive Mouse and Button Set. The Microsoft Adaptive Mouse is an accessory that makes using a mouse more comfortable for users of all abilities. Microsoft Adaptive accessories provide a fully customizable experience, unlock your potential, remove barriers, and increase productivity with easy-to-use system that adapts and grows with you. These accessories can be used on devices with other operating systems, although they require initial setup on a Windows PC. The Microsoft Adaptive Mouse and Button Set consists of a variety of mouse and switch combinations and options. The Adaptive Hub, the Adaptive Mouse, the Adaptive Mouse Tail, the Adaptive D-Pad with 4-button topper, the Adaptive D-Pad with 2-button topper, and the Adaptive D-Pad with joystick topper. The Adaptive Hub is used to connect multiple adaptive devices to your computer or device. It can connect wirelessly via Bluetooth or wired by a USB-C cable. It has 5 3.5mm switch ports for external switches, 3 USB-C ports, not counting the charging port, and all are configurable for connecting additional buttons and switches. It can be configured to switch between 3 different profiles, allowing for up to 3 people to use the same device, or the user can have 3 different configurations for the attached devices. The Adaptive Mouse, which connects to your computer directly instead of via the Adaptive Hub, is roughly the same size and shape as the Adaptive Button. It has 2 clickable buttons and a clickable scroll wheel. Both the buttons and the clickable scroll wheel can be configured for action and function shortcuts for both short presses and long presses. The Adaptive Mouse Tail and Thumb Support add-on attaches to the rear of the mouse, turning the Adaptive Mouse into a traditional ergonomic mouse. The Adaptive Button is customizable with different tops attached. The D-Pad with 4-button topper allows for 8 programmable switch settings: left, right, up, down, and 4 diagonal directional settings. The Adaptive D-Pad with joystick topper has the same programmability and flexibility as the D-Pad 4-button accessory, but uses a joystick handle for control instead of a button top. The Adaptive D-Pad with 2-button topper allows for 2 programmable switch settings. These devices provide the ability to make most actions and functionalities more accessible. They are easy to set up and use, and via the hub buttons can be set up in many different possible combinations, allowing for a custom setup depending upon the user's needs and abilities.
On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, I would like to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.